Here are 7 steps to your own E2 visa in 2025. Step 6 is the trickiest, so wait for it. Step 1, determine if you qualify. To qualify for an E2 visa as an investor, you must be a national of an eligible treaty country. There are about 80 treaty countries now, including Canada, the UK, France, Germany, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and many more. Is your country on the list? Step 2, establish your U.S. company. Next, it's time to establish a U.S. company to serve as your E2 enterprise, unless you already have one, and you must own at least 50% of it. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, and if you like, my law firm can help you to do it. Step 3, get an EIN. Once your E2 enterprise is established, you'll need to apply to the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, for an employer ID number, or EIN. It's a separate U.S. tax ID number for your company, and you'll need one. If you or another owner of your company already has a U.S. Social Security number, you can usually get your EIN from the IRS quickly. Otherwise, it typically takes at least 45 days, so plan accordingly. Step 4, open a business bank account. Once your business has an EIN, it's time to open a business bank account. Which U.S. bank is your best option depends on many factors. Choose wisely. Step 5, transfer your investment funds. Next, it's time to transfer funds from your personal bank account abroad to your new business bank account in the U.S. It's important that the funds come from you, the E2 visa applicant, not someone else. Step 6, invest a substantial amount. Now you'll need to invest a substantial amount of money on whatever your U.S. business needs to open and become successful. Investing in a U.S. franchise can really speed things up, and I often help my clients to find the right one. But many of my clients simply grow their own business or buy an existing one. What's a substantial investment? Well, the law doesn't specify a minimum investment, but U.S. consular officials really expect to see an investment of at least $100,000 in your new U.S. business. And your investment funds must be at risk, that is spent, not safely sitting in a bank account. Your business must also be open or ready to open before you apply for an E2 visa. And since the U.S. government loves it when you hire Americans, it's a great idea to invest in at least one employee, preferably a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and have a plan for hiring more in the years to come. Step 7, submit your E2 visa application. Once you've made the requisite investments in your new E2 enterprise and have all the documentation ready to prove it, it's time to submit your E2 visa application to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Then, assuming you've met the filing requirements, you will be invited to schedule an appointment for an interview about your visa application. I'm Joseph Bovino, U.S. Immigration and Business Attorney based in Miami, serving clients worldwide and specializing in E2 investor visas. Use the link in my bio to schedule a consultation and follow for more.